A developmental disability significantly affecting verbal and nonverbal communication, social interaction. This disability is usually evident before the age of 3. Letter A, autism. Letter B, impairment. Letter C, Down syndrome. Or letter D, handicap. Tumpak na choice po natin dito would be letter A, autism. And yung letter C mo po, Down syndrome. This is trisomy 21, no? So trisomy 21 po ang ating Down syndrome. Dati po tinatawag silang mongoloid, no? So ngayon hindi na po siya politically correct. Hindi na po siya pinapayagan, no, na gamitin natin yung term na mongoloid. Okay? So when you say trisomy 21, imbis na dalawang copies po lamang yung chromosome 21 kasi each of our chromosomes in our body, dalawang kopya lamang po. Sa kanila, tatlong copy ng chromosome 21. So you see them, they all look the same. Okay? So that's Down syndrome. When you say impairment, this is to a specific organ, not to specific part of your body. So something that is affecting a specific organ or specific part of your body. Okay? So that's an impairment. When you say disability, you are unable to do something. Inability to do something. And of course, when you say handicap, you have a disadvantage in our society because you have an impairment or you have a disability.